Indian Air Force is ready to undertake relief and rescue operations for the victims of the cloudburst that took place in Kishtwar in Jammu and Kashmir. At the moment, 2 Mi-17 helicopters and 1 advanced light helicopter are on standby at Jammu and Udhampur. Operations will commence at the first available operational weather window. According to top sources, Indian Air Force is ready for rescue and relief operation to be carried out in Kishtwar, where cloudburst has claimed several lives. 60 people have been reported dead and several others are feared trapped under the debris. Let's go across to Sahil Sohail is joining us from the location from Kishtwar. What's the situation on ground? Sahil, tell us about that, and also we're given to understand the Indian Air Force is ready to carry out the operation once there's a window for them to operate in terms of weather.
Well, yes, as of now, the rescue and relief operation continues. JCB machines have been put on work. The folks for the administration right now is to clear the debris, and that's taking place. There were, in fact, 2,000 to 3,000 pilgrims who were stranded in the Bhavan of Mata Sani, and they were in fact rescued. They were stranded there, and they have been rescued and shifted to safer places. There was this bridge that was basically washed away by flash floods, and as a result of which those pilgrims were stranded, and then the NDRF, SDRF and other disaster management forces came in. They constructed a temporary bridge, and now those pilgrims are returning home. They are crossing the Nala. At the same time, you can see these are the basically these whole of this huge boulders and these huge plants, trees got uprooted. They came down with that flash flood, with that mudslide, and the area where we are reporting right now is the parking and langar area, and it's all impacted. It's not under these huge boulders. That's why the local MLA and the leader of opposition, Sunil Sharma, has said that they have requested Ministry of Home Affairs to deploy some special men and machinery for removing these boulders, because he says that there were 200 to 300 pilgrims who had gathered inside that langar for lunch. They were having lunch when all of a sudden there was cloudburst, and basically that got away, impacted. There were a number of, in fact, eyewitnesses telling us that number of people were washed away in this Nala. There are several houses, government offices, including the camp of CISF, which was deployed for the Yatra duties at this particular location. Because this location where we are reporting from, which is impacted because of this mudslide and landslide, used to serve as the base camp for the Yatra. It's the last village, last motorable village, and from on this point, from onwards, one has to basically move on foot for the Yatra. So as of now, Indian Army, CRPF, the other, in fact, disaster management forces led by NDRF are carrying out operations. These huge machinery has been put on use. The focus as of now for the administration remains to remove these boulders, remove these debris, to look for the dead bodies, because they suspect that there could be several pilgrims who might be under these boulders, under these debris. See the devastation, see the destruction that this flash flood has caused. It was normal, like a small nala. And
stay on with us. I will same spot where a langar facility was set up, affecting 200 to 300 pilgrims present at the time. Local houses have been washed away, adding to the devastation. Here is a ground report.
Rescue and relief operation stands intensified in Chasoti village of Kishtwar. We are reporting from ground zero, and my BJ Shafiq will show you. In fact, this NDRF team is now, in fact, trying to remove the debris from this very particular spot. I would like to mention that it is the same spot where, in fact, the langar facility for pilgrims was set up. Mashel Mata Yatra was ongoing. It had started 2 weeks before. There were around 200 to 300 pilgrims who had basically gathered here. They had arrived at this spot. This spot was, in fact, working as the base camp for those pilgrims. They had arrived and gathered here. They were having lunch when all of this, there was cloudburst and flash floods hit this area. It's a challenge for the disaster management forces to basically clear the site, given the fact that there's high volume of these big boulders that have come down from this Chasoti Nala. People here are saying that it was a small Nala, all cool and calm, but then there was, in fact, weather was not so bad in the area, but in upper reaches of this, it's for mountainous and forest area, there was rainfall that triggered basically cloudburst, and then there are multiple landslides and mudslides basically hit the area and bringing this particular spot under it. This was set up for the Machel Mata Yatra pilgrims. They stand impacted. Local residential houses have washed away, and the search for missing persons or missing pilgrims is underway. With video journalist Shafiq, this is Sohail in Chashoti.
Breaking inputs coming in. We're given to understand that